CenterPoint Securities. Is this the best trading broker in Canada? If you're watching this video and new to my channel, you are probably really tired of all the old, archaic, and especially expensive trading broker choices here in Canada. It's true, the financial products here in Canada are just overall lacking innovation. I sometimes feel like the trading technology existing here in Canada are still in 1990s, while our neighbor down south, the USA, is living in 2030s. I think it's time for us Canadian traders to catch up. You've probably never heard of CenterPoint Securities before. They are relatively new to Canada from the US, and they are CIPF insured and regulated in Canada. When CenterPoint finally launched here in Canada, it felt like every Canadian trader I knew was popping champagnes in front of the trading desks. It felt like, finally, we have a top-tier, well-rounded brokerage in Canada to really shake things up in the trading industry. I've personally been using CenterPoint Securities for many years now, both trading with personal accounts as well as corporate account. So in this video, I'm gonna do an in-depth review of the pros and cons of CenterPoint Securities as a trading broker in Canada. I'm gonna talk about all of these categories, and there will be timestamps down below. First, of course, is the commissions and fees. Second, we'll be talking about the platform, the execution speed, charting, and the ease of use. Number 3, we're gonna be talking about short selling, which is their flagship feature. These are strategies that have been really popular with trading nowadays. Next, we'll talk about the funding requirement and the account types. I'll leave all the video chapters down below if you wanna skip around, as well as a link to the latest promotions. Now let's get started. First, let's talk about the aspect that perhaps most traders care about the most, commissions and fees, and these definitely do add up eventually. You can see that for US equities pricing, meaning that you're trading US listed stocks, the regular pricing for most routes is $0.0045 per share. So essentially that's 0.45 cents per share. So that means if you purchase 100 shares of a stock, it will cost you 45 cents per trade. Guys and girls, traders, are you seeing this right here? No more $4.95 per trade, or even $1 per trade at some discount brokers like Interactive Brokers. This kind of pricing for traders is unheard of in Canada. And that's not even it. If you use CenterPoint's dedicated routes to add to liquidity, essentially you're waiting for your orders to fill on the bid or the ask, then the commissions drops to $0.0025 per share. So buying that same 100 shares of a stock will cost you only 25 cents. This is insane. Next, let's talk about the trading platform. CenterPoint is the broker, and it's connected to the execution platform DashTrader Pro. And I would say DashTrader Pro is the golden standard when it comes to trading US equities and momentum stocks. The execution speed is solid, fast, and reliable, and there's many routes that's being provided by CenterPoint Securities. The level 2 market data is great. The montage is easy to read. You can also do a lot of customization on the platform. But the one thing I do hear a lot of traders complain about the platform is that the charts are really ugly. I'll let you be the judge of that. But hey, are you getting into trading to look pretty, or are you trying to make money? Like, make up your mind. Okay, but all jokes aside, even though the charts are quote-unquote ugly, the simplicity and the dark background makes it very easy to see all the charts and read them at a glance. And the individual candles on the charts are very intuitive with no latency that I can notice. You know, sometimes that you've used platforms, I'm not gonna name any names here, when you see the candlesticks literally freezing for like half a second or even a full second before it's starting to print on the platform. Thank God that doesn't happen on DashTrader Pro. If you're in doubt, you can request a demo on the CenterPoint Securities website to try out the platform for yourself. Now, an elite trading platform like DashTrader Pro isn't free. There's a $120 per month for DashTrader Pro. But the cost is waived if you're trading over 250,000 shares each month or over 1,000 options contracts. But thankfully, I do have a CenterPoint sign-up promotion for you. You'll get 1 month free of DashTrader Pro worth $120 if you sign up with my affiliate link down below. Another really nice bonus that they're offering with the same promo is that you can access CenterPoint Edge for free, which essentially is a suite of trading tools worth over $7,000 annually. You get access to Dilution Tracker, TrendSpider, and other journaling softwares and more. But I get it though. The $120 per month fee for a platform isn't cheap. That's probably a big downside for many traders here in Canada. But in my opinion, it's worth it in order to get better executions. You should think of it as, if you have faster execution for your orders and faster charts, can you make at least an extra $120 per month? And for me, that question, the answer is definitely yes. Okay, now let's talk about short selling, another exciting topic. If you're a trader who specializes in short selling small cap stocks, you'll definitely find CenterPoint a very appealing choice as a broker here in Canada. For short selling, they have one of the best hard-to-borrow inventories I've ever seen, and they're often not available to short on most discount brokers. This could also mean that if you have access to borrow these hard-to-borrow stocks, you have the ability to profit from the opportunities that most traders cannot. But of course, I gotta give you the good and the bad. There is, of course, another cost associated with locating these hard-to-borrow stocks to short. These fees are called locate fees or borrow fees. On the CenterPoint trading platform, you can use locate windows to find these stocks to short and see the pricing per share. I will say here that as a trader who've traded with many different brokerages before, CenterPoint's short locate costs are within the mid-tier, meaning they're not the most expensive ones up there that I've seen, but they're also not the cheapest. So just keep that in mind. I've personally been trading with CenterPoint for many years, and honestly, I think they're the best trading broker for short selling in Canada. The competition doesn't even come close. And even if you don't short sell small cap, low float stocks, that's totally fine. They have plenty of easy to borrow large cap and mega cap stocks to short, just like your regular Nvidia, Tesla, or Apple. When these stocks are easy to borrow, that means there's no additional cost to locate the shorts. But remember, at the end of the day, all of these locate costs, platform fees, commissions for trading, these are all potential write-offs for your trading business here in Canada. But of course, talk to your CPA about this. Next, let's talk about funding requirements. And this is probably the biggest downside to CenterPoint here in Canada, is that they require a minimum funding of $30,000 US. I know this funding requirement is a pretty hefty amount. That's not exactly low compared to other trading brokers here in Canada. $30,000 US is around $42,000 Canadian. That's a lot for most Canadian traders. CenterPoint is definitely ideal for novice or advanced traders who have some capital and experience. Personally, I started trading more than 10 years ago with Interactive Brokers. But as I grew my account and wanted to level up, that's when I opened another account at CenterPoint. This is once I hit the account minimum. Next, let's talk about account types. CenterPoint Securities is meant to be a trading broker, not an investing brokerage. So they do not offer TFSA or RRSP here in Canada, at least not at the moment I'm recording this video. But you can open individual accounts or corporate accounts here in Canada. Corporate accounts would be ideal for traders who start generating enough profits and are seeking to be more tax efficient with their trading business. I've done a video talking about trading as a business here in Canada, if you want to check that out. If you have more questions regarding CenterPoint, you can easily reach out to them online or call their support team for Canada. Their customer service is solid over the phone or email. They understand traders' needs and they are fast to respond, and I found them very helpful. So even though I did ding them a couple of points regarding the funding requirement, I honestly still believe that they are a game changer for the trading industry here in Canada. Finally, Canadian traders here have some amazing choice with access to elite trading platform, short sell hard-to-borrow stocks, and much better pricing when it comes to commissions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And remember, you can use the link down below to sign up for a demo to the platform or get 1 month free on Dash to the Pro, which is worth $120. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys next time.